It's safe to say that positivity has been at a premium throughout the last few months. Empty streets yearn for the return of ample foot traffic. Business as usual has been replaced by a new, unusual normal. But you haven't wavered, and we've stood alongside you.
We're in this together.
We're in this together.
We're in this together.
We've supported those on the front lines who have worked from our centers. And our courageous team members remain in the office, ensuring that vital business continues no matter the challenge. We're now doing everything we can to create a safer environment for you, for your clients, and for our team members, who together make our workspaces such a special destination for innovation, inspiration, and collaboration. And we will remain alongside you in the times ahead, 6 feet apart. Whatever obstacles may present themselves, Carr Workplaces will be there to support and empower the businesses that are such essential parts of our communities. Today, tomorrow, and in the future.